my god! And there's a lizard! Oh my god!
Where?
Pepe, look! There's a brown lizard on the stick. You see?
No, I don't see it.
Look! It's on the stick.
Oh, yeah. Your mom saw it?
Yes, that's why she gone. But they don't even look deadly. They look so calm and small. Hello. Hey, beautiful. He's tired. Hi, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, and welcome to another vlog. Today we are at the Moody Gardens in Galveston doing tourism. So we're walking with Mama and baby and Tyler. We wanted to go to the aquarium, but it's closed, sadly. That slide, I'll never go up there. Ma, say hi. Mada! Peace! Tyler, say hi. Tibia, say hello. Ty is in no talking today. So the aquarium is closed. So we're walking to some other attractions. So as usual, we're taking you guys along with us. So you sure it's not over there?
No, I think this is more the water.
Guys,
park.
look at that slide up there. Baby, you want to go to the slide?
Not today.
I'll never go up there, so.
Never.
Ever.
Why?
I would die.
That's fun.
You're crazy.
Once you're there, after when you're down, you only want one thing, is to go back up.
Oh, well, I'm not going down because I'm not a fan of water. I cannot swim only if I'm in a life jacket. I will die. Period. The sun. Oh my God. The heat is unbearable. My God. You guys. You don't want to feel this heat, man. But over here is so beautiful though. You guys, this place, this green place is the aquarium, but it's closed. So we're trying to find somewhere else to go.
You enjoy the rainforest. You're welcome.
Oops. Oh.
You enjoy the rainforest. And I'll scan you today. Thank you. Enjoy the rainforest.
Thank you. Actually in the rainforest now. Trying to see some animals and plants. Trump, Donald Trump. What is in here? Gecko, I don't want to see that. I'm sorry. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. And there's a lizard. Oh my God. Pepe, look. There's a brown lizard on the stick. You see?
No, I don't see it.
Look. It's on the stick.
Oh, yeah. Your mom saw it?
Yes, that's why she gone. Oh my God. Oh my God.
There's another one here.
Look at that white frog. There's a white frog. No, I don't want to see him. There's a white frog and there's a lizard right here. Oh my God.
There's another one here. Come on.
I don't want to see him.
There's a gecko. That's a gecko.
Can you see it right
Oh, up here. Oh,
Oh, this one pretty.
huge.
Oh, there it is. Oh my God. In the back?
Scary.
Come on. What is he doing?
Mommy, it's a snake. It's a green snake. Tyler, look. See, look.
Alright, so you don't like the little one, but you like the big one?
Yeah, the big one is fine. Look at
his
this one.
eyes.
Is cute.
Look at his eyes.
He's cute.
I would be more afraid to have this in front of me than to have the little baby one.
Ah.
I don't like any of it.
Yeah, he knows that's where he needs to go? Or it's just a scratch thing for him?
No, this is the exit for maybe food or maybe
Ah.
when they take out for the night.
Yeah. I'm sure he's hungry. So cute though. Sorry. Look at the tail. The butterfly zone. How cute. It's right there. That's the caterpillar. He's so cute.
Give him 5 to 6. Yeah, you have to give him a good 5 to 6.
He looks like an old man. Ah, he's hiding. Jesus.
I don't.
What kind of crocodile is that? Monitor. Yes, nice dinner.
So how is the rainforest?
It's been good.
It's been good?
Yeah, just wish like the Komodo dragon was here and the other thing that's missing down here.
Alright.
He's so cute. Oh, he's looking at the fishies. Can you all see these birds? How cute they are. It's right here in front of me. These are the deadly ones?
Yeah, the one who eat meat.
Oh Lord, they kill you. But they don't even look deadly. They look so calm and small. Hello. Hey, beautiful. He's tired. Hey, look at those fishes. Get. Can you swim? Oh, because it's Tyler. Nobody here can see diving and grab Tyler.
I jump straight to the
Jesus Christ. You saw on the news where the man in Florida in Disney World and the alligator take away his baby in front of him. Feet.
The
Jesus.
man in tried to pull the child from the alligator.
Man.
Alligator just eat the baby like this.
Just like that. It's crazy. He want to push the stroller, honey. Honey, hold the stroller strong.
He's coming back now.
Hold him. Okay. Papa take time. Mercy. Take up Tyler, honey.
Oh,
You take up Tyler.
that's what I tell you. I don't want to.
And it's not even afraid of you. You guys, the sun is so turned up. The sun is so hot. My camera battery died, so I have to be using my phone. We stopped and had lunch after my battery died, and Tyler fell asleep. So he's well asleep, and everybody's so tired. We enjoyed the day. Baby's chilling.
I'm good. Just scratching from the mosquito bite.
Mosquito is also here like crazy, and when they bite you, trust me, you stay bite. And mother is chilling over there. Move your big head. So we're tired and waiting for our drive to come and pick us up. So that's the end of our day, and we're going home to get some rest. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.